My skin went from this to this. Here is the Missguided package. I'm here with Shopper. This grocery shop was the most exciting thing to happen today. Welcome back to my channel. So as you saw, I just did like my morning skincare routine. I've cleansed my face, and every other day I like to treat myself with a bit of extra skincare steps just to really like rejuvenate my skin and give it a nice little treat. I have dry skin, and especially in the winter it gets really dull and dry. So as I'm sure you guys will already know, I'm going to use my Foreo UFO 2 device. I have talked about this device so much on my channel before. I think I've been using it for nearly a year now, and I absolutely love it. I've seen such great results from it. I think I've shown you guys pictures before I started using it before, but I'll insert it here now. I just used to have very dull skin. I used to have a lot of little spots around this region, so I really think that this has helped clear that up. I'm honestly obsessed with this device. It feels so luxurious. I have definitely seen a huge improvement in my skin. I just feel like it's so much more glowy now. It always feels very like plump after I use it. I've seen a huge improvement after using this device, and all the different masks, all the different selections that they have. They have so many selections. I'll just show you a few of my favorites. Youth Junkie, and it has collagen in it. So another one I love is this one. It's called H2O Overdose, and it has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's very hydrating. Another one of my favorites is this coconut oil one. It is super hydrating. If you haven't heard me talk about the Foreo UFO 2 before, the idea behind it is that it is a at-home spa treatment and like a professional facial. So it actually uses light therapy. Whilst I'm using it, I'll show you, it uses red and green light. So the masks come in little sachets like this, and I'm going to be using H2O Overdose because that's my favorite. I've already put the sachet onto the device, so I'm going to turn this on now. I use the app which connects it through Bluetooth. So as you can see right now, I know the lighting's not great, but the red lights are on. So what the red lights do is stimulate the production of collagen, which is amazing for lifting and firming your skin. What it's also going to do is reduce the appearance of fine lines. So as you can hear, the T-sonic pulsations are happening, which really helps infuse all the products deeper into your skin. As you can see, the green lights are on now. What the green light therapy does is help with inflammation and help to even out your skin tone, which is amazing because I feel like I have very discolored skin, especially in this region over here. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. So that's actually where I like to focus the mask on this bit of the treatment when the green light therapy is happening. So once it is done, I usually have a lot more treatment left in my sachet. So what I've done is flipped the mask over, and then I'm going to pour some more on and do the treatment again, because look how much comes out of the sachet. You could also just rub this over your face like a serum. It's really up to you. But that's what I love about the mask, that you get so much out of it. Oh my gosh, that is so much. Like I could even do it like 3 times if I wanted to, honestly. Because of the combination of cryotherapy, heat therapy and light therapy that the device utilizes, my skin is feeling extremely soft and ready for the rest of my skincare routine and like the rest of the day. So yeah, if you guys are interested in getting a UFO 2, I really recommend it. I've seen amazing results. My skin went from this to this. So yeah, if you guys are interested in getting your own UFO 2 device, I really recommend it. I will leave the link that you can get your own, and I am gonna go get my breakfast now, so let's go back to the montage.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine.
So I'm making my morning coffee, but I just wanted to show you this really cool thing. It's called a velvetizer. It's from Hotel Chocolate, and it basically makes your hot chocolate. Oh my goodness guys, it literally tastes like velvet. I can't describe how smooth it makes the drinks, but basically what I've been doing is just putting my milk in there. You just pour your milk into here, you press the go button over here, it froths your milk for you. So look how nice that milk looks, and I'm just gonna pour it into my coffee. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm at Starbucks in the morning. I literally love it. Since I'm showing you my coffee, I thought I'd show you my breakfast too. I just have peanut butter and toast with bananas on top. And that probably sounds really disgusting if you've never tried it, but honestly I really like it. Shafa started doing this like a few years ago and now I'm just addicted to it, to be honest. My breakfast. Oh, that's a cool shot. Lovely. So I am just gonna enjoy my breakfast with some of Kelsey Simone's videos. I absolutely love her vlogs. If you guys love aesthetics, you should check out her videos because her room and her house is honestly insane. Oh, what day is it today? Wednesday. And yeah, I'm having a chill day today. I'm gonna shoot some content, but that's pretty much it. But I just wanted to say, I've already announced this on Instagram, but I've signed like temporarily with a talent management. I'm so excited, and I just wanted to say thank you guys for always supporting me. And yeah, if you've ever shown me support, I'm really grateful, and thank you guys. This management has been helping me like get brand deals and stuff like that. So I just got sent a package from Missguided. It is gifted. I picked out all the pieces, but I wanted to show you guys because I know you guys like my mini hauls that I do in my vlogs. So yeah, let's open it and see what's inside. I'm so excited. Here is the Missguided package. I'm so excited to get pieces that are really versatile, that I could build like loads of different outfits with them. So I got like very casual things, but I feel like I can really mix and match everything. So the first thing I got is a basic. It is this cardigan. Did I get this in stone or oatmeal? I got this in the color stone. It kind of looks more beige in real life. To be fair, I don't really know what the color stone looks like in my head that's grey, but I don't think it is. I'm not sure, but I love it. I absolutely love this cardigan. It's very slouchy, and I can just wear that on top of, imagine this on top of like a maxi dress in the spring or with a skirt. Those also look really cute with jeans as well. It's just a cardigan that you can throw on top of anything. But also, what I was thinking, this would look so cute on top of a shalwar kameez as well. You know, because when you wear shalwar kameezes in the winter, it's actually freezing and they're not warm at all. So I feel like putting cute cardigans on top still looks nice. And then I got these jeans. I got a size 10, but they're like these super baggy jeans and they go all the way down. I'm so excited. Hold on, let me show you guys. I'm sure they'll look better on, but I wanted them to be super baggy. I got this top. It's like, oh, I don't know what you call it, like lettuce hem when it's a bit curvy at the top. But I love this color. It's a brown color and I think it would go perfect with the jeans. But I did get this a size up. I got it in a size 10 because I didn't want it to be too tight. So this cardigan, I'm so excited about it. It is a wrap cardigan. On Sunday, I am going out with Shafa and Maria and we're just going to get outfit pictures, and I'm really excited because, you know, I've been taking my own outfit pictures recently, but I miss taking it with people, you know. The last thing I got is a tracksuit and it's kind of like vintage. I absolutely love it. It's a zip up hoodie and it just says the yacht club. So I always go a size up in the hoodie, so that's a size 12, and then I go a size down in the pants, in like the joggers. So these are the joggers that come with it. They're just navy blue. Again, you could wear these with anything, like separate or together. So I got the pants in a size 8. Yeah, we are gonna get on with the vlog and I need to get ready.
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do. Making art, you and me, trying to find something to believe because I'm running wild.
Hi guys, so it is Thursday today and I just went out and took some pictures. My hair's a bit of a mess now, but I was inspired by Chintzia because I love her Instagram and she's like been doing this long plaid. So this is my outfit today. I absolutely love it. I'll show you. It's just that baggy stone cardigan, and then I have those pants on that I showed you, the leather pants. But I really like how they're straight leg and not super tight, but I would recommend going a size up. Yeah, I like my makeup today. If I'm ever not feeling myself, I put a red lip on and I feel instantly better. It's a good day so far. I'm freezing cold and I'm gonna get changed and try to work out. I've been trying to work out lately. It always lasts like maybe 2 weeks and then I just stop, so we'll see how long this lasts. I just do the MadFit workouts. I absolutely love her workouts. I did Chloe Ting in the summer, but I didn't like her. I didn't like it. I don't know, I prefer MindFit. Hello, it is the next day. I'm here with Shoppa and she's taking my pictures. It's for the Missguided outfits and you will see them on my Instagram soon. We're just taking it in a car park and I'm gonna get changed into the second one. So I'm in my second outfit. It's more of like a tracksuit look and we are just gonna go to the top of the car park to take pictures.
I feel really dirty.
How is that? Yeah, we were in the car park, but it's fine. We're gonna go wash our hands. Yay! But Mari made us cookies. Yeah, you can eat on the way home.
Emergency.
If
snack.
you need some sugar one day.
Emergency snack.
I hate you. Guys, so I'm back home now and I just took off my makeup, but I am gonna do some work because I haven't done uni work in such a long time. So I'm doing a bit of science right now. I haven't touched science, so I need to do like a full day. I think that's just gonna be the rest of the day, to be honest. So not really interesting at all. Oh my gosh, I look horrendous. I just came back from the shops. I haven't vlogged at all today, just because I haven't been doing anything, and this grocery shop was the most exciting thing to happen today, so I'll give you a little haul. I kind of was craving prawns, so I think I'm gonna make some prawn like pasta for dinner. So I got some prawns, like king prawns, some yogurt. Obviously this isn't for dinner, but strawberry yogurt because I really like this. This is my favorite kind, Alpro. I like the strawberry one and the mango one. And then strawberries for my porridge in the morning, you already know. And grapes, my favorite fruit. Grapes, I just love snacking on grapes. It's my favorite snack. I got some sugar drop tomatoes for my pasta, and I got some double cream as well. I don't know if I'm going to put this in the pasta, I'm not sure, but am I even in focus? Oh, seriously, I don't know if I'm going to put this in my pasta. That's why I just got like a little tub of it. And then I got some peanut butter because I like to put this in smoothies. Oh, I was meant to get frozen fruit. Oh my god. Oh no, okay, it's fine. I'll go again at some point. And then I got some onion and herb seasoning. But yeah, that was my Morrison's haul. I hope you enjoyed it. A little bit of updates. Honestly, what have I done today? I'm gonna go clean my room, then I'll make dinner. I just feel like there's nothing to vlog, like as if I just showed you guys a haul, a grocery haul. But yeah, I'm just wearing that baseball jacket. It's like a varsity jacket. It's from Boohoo. I think I've shown it in a haul before. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm gonna wipe this stuff down and put it away, and then I'm gonna go clean my room because it's such a mess. So I have cleaned my room and I'm gonna go downstairs now. But look how cozy it looks. Hi everyone. So I was just editing this vlog and I realized when I was showing you the recipe for the spicy prawn linguine, it was like the footage was just really bad. Like the camera was steamed up, the extractor fan was on, so it was very loud, like background noise, and I just didn't like it. And I'm making the same thing today. I'm making like dinner for my family, so, and I'm making like bruschetta as a starter as well, so I thought it'd be more interesting, and I wanted to get better footage because I don't want you guys to watch that crappy footage. So yeah, I'm gonna go to get the ingredients really quickly and then I'll come back and give you like an actual recipe. I just did my hair and makeup. This is like my favorite hairstyle to do when my hair is greasy. Just put it in a slick ponytail and do a plait in it. So I am back from the shops now. I'm going to start on the bruschetta first because the recipes that I've seen online just say you should chill like the topping in the fridge for like an hour before you serve it, so I'll do that first. I'll show you what I'm gonna put in it. So I got the baguettes here. I got 2 small ones, tomatoes. I'm gonna do 2 garlic cloves just because the pasta is gonna be garlicky as well, so I don't want it to be like garlic overload. And then I got salt and pepper, some extra virgin olive oil, some balsamic vinegar. I think you just drizzle this on top. And then I got some flat leaf parsley, some tomatoes, and a red onion. It's really simple. There's literally no cooking involved. You just cut all of this up, mix it together, and then put this in the oven. So the bruschetta is all done. I'm gonna put that in the fridge, and I did buy mozzarella, so I think when I have this baguette in the oven, I'm gonna put a tiny bit of mozzarella on the top so that kind of melts on it, and then put the topping on. I'm gonna leave this in the fridge for now and then get started with the actual dinner. So to start off, I put my pan on, I got some oil in there, and then I'm gonna start off by putting some chopped red onions, and I think I put like 5 garlic cloves. I don't have actual measurements, I'm kind of just going with the vibes, but that's okay because this isn't an actual recipe. I got some, and then I'm going to put 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, double cream, and I will show you what spices I'm going to put in, but it's a really easy recipe. When everything is slightly golden, you can add your chopped tomatoes in it. Give that a good stir. These are the spices I'm going to use. We got some chili flakes, salt, pepper, oregano, and garlic and herb seasoning. And yeah, I'm just gonna put that in. You guys put as much as you want in. I'm not gonna give you measurements again. But this is how the sauce is looking so far. Once I've added the spices, I'm going to add some double cream. Not all of this, don't worry, but a good majority of it, not gonna lie. This is not a healthy dish at all. So that's what the sauce looks right now. I'm actually gonna turn the heat off because I put the water on too late, so I'm waiting for her to bubble, and then I'm gonna put the prawns in here. As I wait for the pasta to boil, I'm gonna cut up my garlic bread ready for the bruschetta that we're gonna make. Sorry, I keep saying garlic bread, I meant baguette. This one doesn't boil. So now that I've coated both sides with olive oil, I'm going to put them in a grill for like a few minutes, and then I'm going to put this mozzarella on top of one of the sides just to melt a tiny bit, and then I'm going to put my bruschetta mixture on it. So those are in the grill. My spaghetti has cooked. I realized I called it linguine before. I meant spaghetti, sorry. I reheated this and put the prawns into it, and I took a bit out before I put the prawns in because Mari doesn't like prawns. Then you want to add a bit of pasta water. So that's the sauce. It's ready to go out, and yeah, this is the bread with the mozzarella, and I'm just gonna put the topping on top now.